Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to replace HDD hard disk to SSD hard disk on HP ProBook laptop. And this laptop running with Windows 10 and it was Windows 7 and once it's upgraded to Windows 10, this system is very slow and user always complaining uh, to me that this system very slow, and I checked myself also. I experienced this system very slow and I decided to change the HDD to SSD. So let us start. For that, first you have to remove the charger cable from laptop. After that, just flip the laptop and back side you can see the cover, but there is no screws for that. For removing this cover, just take one flat type screwdriver and just unlock the. There is some locks, just unlock using this screwdriver like this. After that, just swipe like this, then it will come out, and you can see the hard disk, HDD hard disk here, and RAM here, and fan or everything there you can see. Now we have to change this HDD hard disk to SSD hard disk. So first you have to remove the screws from laptop. There is four screws, so that you have to remove. Now the four screws are removed, and after that just take like this, and you can see there is the hard disk is connected to the computer, so that cable you have to remove like this. Now you can see the cable is removed, and after that you have to remove this cover from this HDD hard disk. You can see there is one cover, so that there is four screws that you have to remove, and then you have to take the hard HDD from that case. And now I removed the screws from the case, and you can see I removed the hard disk HDD from the case. And after that you have to fix the SSD to this case. I bought 240 GB SSD for this laptop to replace. And you can see the SSD, the brand is Kingston 240 GB. So this SSD, first you have to fix on the case. After that you have to fix to the laptop. First fix on the case and screw it. Now the SSD fixed on the case. After that fixed to the computer. First you have to connect the cable like before. Just note that you can see there is two ports, so that you have to connect properly. Now the cable is connected. After that screw it. There is four screws. Four screws you have to tighten properly. Now the screws are fixed properly. After that take the cover back and just pull it back to lock. Yeah, now it's locked. And if you want to unlock, just take the screw and just unlock the locks. Now the hard disk SSD is fixed to the laptop, and try to on, and it will ask to. There is some error code because there is no boot device, so we have to install the software, which is Windows OS. Now I reinstalled Windows on it. Windows 10 I reinstalled, and it looks very fast, and I hope user will satisfied with this new setup. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.